Hi, and welcome to day 195 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird is the Wilson's Warbler. Female Wilson's warblers are masters of hiding in plain sight, tucking their nests into little ground depressions at the base of saplings, willows, grasses, anything dense enough to disappear into. The nest itself is tiny, just a few inches across, but perfectly camouflaged. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, do we find our bird of the day?